start. The appellant had claimed the benefit of belonging to the OBC category stop. As the admitted facts indicate, he did not belong to the OBC category stop. The claim of the appellant was processed on the basis that he was an OBC candidate, and the documents pertaining to the selection process also indicate the same position. Stop para. A counter affidavit was filed on behalf of the corporation in which it was stated that the appellant had obtained employment by misrepresenting that he belonged to an OBC category, namely the Jat community, and was initially recruited as a diploma trainee electrical in the OBC category for a period of 1 year and thereafter placed as a junior engineer grade 4 on probation on the basis that no was a reserved category candidate. Stop. On verification of the caste certificate from the district authorities, it was found that the Jat community did not fall within the purview of OBC category in the center service, and the appellant was not entitled to the benefit of reservation. Stop. Accordingly, invoking the provisions of Clause 4 and Clause 17 Bracket 1 of the terms and conditions of the letter of appointments, the services of the appellant were terminated. Stop. The submission of the corporation was that the appellant had remained a probation all along, and that in the absence of an order of confirmation he had not become a permanent employee of the corporation. Stop. Hence, the termination of service during the period of probation was sought to be justified. Stop para. The learned single judge, upon being moved in writ proceedings under Article 226 of the Constitution, has come to the conclusion that the appellant declared that he belonged to the OBC category in his application from the appointment of the appellant as a diploma trainee electrical was subject to the condition